In today's video, we are comparing two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the Portable Washing Machine Mini 11L. Both are designed for small spaces and offer unique features that cater to different needs. We'll explore their specifications, pros and cons, and help you determine which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring a hand crank to wash clothes, making it an eco-friendly option that doesn't rely on electricity. In contrast, the Portable Washing Machine Mini 11L uses electric power, allowing for a more automated washing experience. This difference in power source significantly affects how each machine operates and the convenience they offer. When it comes to washing capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for small loads. On the other hand, the Portable Washing Machine Mini 11L has a larger capacity measured in liters, which allows for washing more items at once. However, the exact comparison can be tricky since the two measurements are different, but generally, the Mini 11L can accommodate more laundry per cycle. The WonderWash features a compact and retro design that appeals to those who appreciate a vintage aesthetic. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to store and transport. In contrast, the Portable Washing Machine Mini 11L boasts a modern, sleek design with a foldable feature that enhances its portability. Both machines are designed for small living spaces, but their designs cater to different tastes and preferences. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the Portable Washing Machine Mini 11L have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prefer a manual, eco-friendly option with a retro design, the WonderWash may be the right choice for you. However, if you value the convenience of electric operation and a larger capacity, the Portable Washing Machine Mini 11L could be the better fit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.